Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade cashew milk. It's easy, it's no waste. In Oklahoma, cashews are about $9 a pound right now, and a half gallon of silk cashew milk is about $2.98, so right around $3. For every quart of cashew milk that you need to make, you'll need 1 cup of cashews. A cup of cashews is about 6 ounces. So if you do the math, you can see it's not really from a financial or a frugal standpoint that you would want to make cashew milk at home. However, maybe you like just the freshest nut milk that you can get your hands on. Bing! It's right here. Maybe you just want to try it out and see if you like it and you've got some cashews that you've been holding on to for a little while. That's a perfect reason to try it. Mike accidentally brought home coconut milk instead of coconut cream a couple months ago. And when he did, I was like, oh no, because the coconut milk's got a lesser fat content. And so I wanted something to really bump up that fat. What's one of the fattest nuts you know? It's these guys right here. So you only need a few things for this recipe. For me personally, I'm doing just a pint, so 16 ounces of cashew milk. That means I need a half of a cup of cashews that have been soaked overnight, a pinch of salt, and 2 cups of water. Now, if you'd like a full quart, go ahead and bump that to 1 cup of cashews and 4 cups of water. So just a couple of benefits on cashews while we're getting ready to make this milk. So it's heart healthy. It helps to lower blood sugar, and it's high in potassium, vitamin B, zinc, and a plethora of other things. The first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get our cashews rinsed. So you'll go ahead and drain out your cashews, run some cold water over them, and you're done. We're gonna move on to the next step. All right, now that we've rinsed our cashews, the next step is gonna be to go ahead and get them in our blender. Now you are gonna want a high-powered blender for this, just dump them on in. Cashew milk made with this recipe has a creaminess similar to 2% milk. If you'd like it a little thicker, add less water. If you'd like it a little more thin, you're gonna go ahead and just bump up that water. So this is completely customizable for you. Now I do have a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna toss that in there really quickly, and then you'll go ahead and add your water. The great news about this, guys, is this is the hardest you're gonna have to work for this entire recipe. Pop your lid on, make sure it's nice and snug, and then you're just gonna turn it onto a high setting, and that is gonna run for about 2 minutes. Once your 2 minutes is up, go ahead and get your lid open and actually check around inside your cashew milk. Just make sure that it's smooth, that you don't see any big pieces in there. But mine feels nice and warm where it's just been working, and everything is nice and smooth. So once you've poured it into your container of choice, your cashew milk will last 3 to 5 days inside the refrigerator. The biggest thing you're gonna clean up is your blender, you guys. This is fantastic, just with no straining, no mess, no waste. If you got value from this dairy milk alternative video, please go ahead and give me a like. And if you'd like to see more videos on saving money, meal prepping, and copycat recipes, hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.